I'm Bradley, and I play Jack in Mack, Jack, Zack, and Daisy.
And I'm Dinobi, and I play Bob in Mack, Jack, Zack, and Daisy.
So let me just spin. Chocolate, let's go. Okay.
Chocolate ice cream.
And then my second spin.
We need a bowl.
Oh,
Mystery item.
Mystery item.
So does that mean I get to choose?
Nope, you don't choose this one.
That looks really good.
Yeah.
That looks so good. Look at that. That looks so good. I'm scared. It is. I love the mystery item.
It's not ripe.
So it looks good. I love
that.
That was terrible.
That was
Yes! Banana.
banana split.
Let's go. Okay. So that was my 2 turns.
Wait, do you keep going?
No, it's Dinobi's turn.
Alright, so clap.
Dinobi's turn.
Alright, so here you go, Dinobi. Now you can spin and get pickles twice. Other flavor.
So
I'm not gonna make it. I'm gonna be nice. I'm gonna give you waffles.
okay.
But not like a lot.
Alright, and spin, second spin. We'll use pickles or other player. I really don't care.
Waffles again.
Wow, okay. Fine. Okay.
Your
Then.
turn then.
Okay. Okay. No. Okay. So here we go. I'm horribly terrified right now. I'm not getting pickles. Other player.
Okay.
Please just choose something better than.
I'll choose the donut hole.
Okay, donut hole. And then my second. Oh gosh.
Go.
Second one. Vanilla ice cream.
I got that.
Mine is going to be the best out of all of yours. Oh, I like that. Okay. Bring the cream.
It's gonna be
Waffles again?
I keep getting waffles.
Are you
What?
serious? Might as well just give them all the waffles.
Exactly. Might as well.
Alright, chocolate ice cream.
Okay.
That's my deal.
Okay.
I
got it.
Maybe with waffles that would be good.
You're so.
At least it wasn't.
So he's getting a bunch of waffles and vanilla ice cream. This is my bowl
this
right
is
now.
chocolate.
Huh?
Yeah, it's chocolate. It says chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate. I messed up my words. Alright, it's my turn again. Last turn. Last spin.
Last spin.
Oh, here we go.
You got 2 spins for the last round. Waffles.
Yeah, with waffles.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Last one. Hope he gets pickles. Other player.
choose pickles.
Give me pickles.
Please, no, please, give me chocolate ice cream. I'll give you chocolate ice cream. You get other player.
Okay, Sour Patch.
All right, fine. Yeah, I'm not mad. Neither am I happy. So,
Yeah, it has to be in between.
all right.
I get
Waffles? Are you serious?
Oh my gosh, it's the king of waffles. Again, might as well just give me all of them.
This is insane. Oh, okay, that's a lot of Sour Patch.
Oh, I get vanilla.
I'm done. That's how you get unhealthy.
It's just waffles and
That looks
and
delicious. I mean, blend it up. That might be completely disgusting, but you know.
yeah.
Okay.
Now for the mixing of the bowls. First,
Hey.
you got that one, I got this one.
Hey.
No, dude, you have to film it. You have to film me. I do both of them.
You're gonna see me
I'm
do
doing
it.
both of them, so that you can go.
Look at this. How did this happen?
Oh wait, no. Oh.
Forgot how sour these were. Holy crap. Wow. That's really sour.
Wait.
That looks.
And then I gotta do the other one.
Oh my gosh.
No.
I don't know what
You're the
mine.
filmer, remember?
I'm kind of scared what mine's gonna look like. I'm preparing my mouth right now.
Oh, where is it? Ooh. I'm just gonna have one.
No.
No, I'm just gonna have one.
You have your own. Wait, we're not done.
Did you know the world was supposed to end yesterday?
The world.
It was supposed to end yesterday. People were saying like an asteroid was gonna come.
Milkshake.
But actually what happened was
Yeah, we don't make
No,
ice cream with.
no, you need to add milk.
No, I don't like milk. I do not like milk. I hate milk. You are not gonna add milk. Oh my God! Look at that.
Would water be any better? I don't think water would be any better. Wait, are we gonna use that?
No.
Yeah, for the next round.
No, we
For
still have a bunch more.
YouTube, for YouTube, right?
Okay.
We're switching places for next.
Don't eat it yet. It's not done yet. Okay. Yours looks sweet.
I know it looks so. That's how you get that.
All I have are waffles and ice cream.
This could be either really disgusting or really, really good.
And all you have is Sour Patch, waffles,
That's all I have.
ice cream, and donut. Okay, fine.
And banana.
Oh yeah, and
That's
bananas.
all I have.
Okay, fine. you have Sour Patch, waffles, vanilla and chocolate ice cream, banana, and donut hole.
Okay, that kind of looks disgusting, but you know.
Yeah,
I'll eat the more chocolatey
No,
parts.
Oh God! Oh, I forgot the water. Oh no!
We're still adding water to this.
I think there's water.
Oh, it has chunks in it.
You're not getting the chunks.
Oh, look at that! Just wow! Look at that! I think that's like some of the.
Did it go in the ice cream?
No.
You know, at first.
It's whoever can eat the most of it.
No,
Who can
okay.
ever drink the most.
Are you? No, I'm not eating.
No.
Can I just have a bite?
Sure.
Let's make an agreement.
if
Dinobi. Let's make an agreement. Let's tie for this game. Let's make an agreement by eating one bite.
One bite.
One bite, okay? I'm not eating
Yes, I'm not
the
eating
whole entire
the
thing.
whole thing.
It's just whoever gets the most. It doesn't have to be the
Wait, I
entire
thought we were
thing.
eating it out of the bowl.
Nope.
Oh,
I said drink it.
Did you hear?
oh yes.
Here we go. I got this. I'm the mixer next time. I'm the mixer. Hold on.
This is Bradley's.
Oh, over the sink. Over the sink. Over the sink.
Okay, let me think.
Oh my God.
Bradley.
Put it over the toilet if I can.
You know what? That doesn't look too bad. It kind of looks like chocolate milk. It's just-
Don't forget the Sour Patch.
Shush! There was a big slug.
Okay, that looks
There
good.
was a big chunk that just
Don't
got
forget
out.
the banana.
I can deal with the banana. But
Yeah, you can.
Okay, put it down. Don't let Brad drink it yet. Oh, yeah, that's.
Yeah, guys.
Don't drink it yet, Brad.
It looks like a.
Like this cup.
On the
Don't drink it.
outside,
I'm
it
not
looks
drinking
like a
this. I'm not drinking
smoothie.
this. Let's tie by not drinking it at all.
Okay.
You just have to take one sip.
No, I'm
You
not
gotta
taking a
drink it.
sip. You have to take a sip to win. I don't care to win. I'm not dying. I'm not dying today. Oh!
I'm not gonna get.
Oh my God, that
Whose
looks like
is that?
throw up.
Oh god, that's Dinobi.
I'm not gonna.
You know
get-
what? Let's add a little bit more water. You know, to make it a little bit less chunky.
I'm not getting food.
Oh, we're good. We're okay.
We're good.
Yeah, I'm not.
Here you go.
I'm not drinking this.
I'm not getting one sip.
Oh, okay. You want to use a straw instead?
Almost there, Nobido.
Dinobi.
It's.
I don't want to do this. Oh,
I'm not
but I
getting
want
food
to
poisoning.
win.
On your marks, get set, go.
No.
No.
No.